Welcome everyone, Stella Penn here, and I want to introduce you to a company called Jifu, who is exploding in growth all over the globe. And part of the reason why they are growing so quickly is because they offer the ultimate lifestyle membership, which I want to cover with you on this video. And if you're wondering what the name Jifu means, it stands for an abundant life, which each of you watching this video can have if you choose it. First and foremost, as you can see, the company is expanding globally, and you can see where they have entities, where they have shipping products, where their warehouses are located, their headquarters, and so forth. The most important part is who is behind it all. These individuals have years of experience, and a few have been a major part of companies who have done revenues into the billions in sales. So you can know for yourself that the team behind this is phenomenal. The company is built upon 3 pillars: travel, health, and education. And for this particular presentation, I really want to focus on pillar number 3, and that is education. So I'm going to skip straight to that. Inside of pillar number 3, you get access to top-tier training on finance, trading, e-commerce, and AI through Jifu Live. So whether you want to learn about Forex, crypto, stock, e-commerce, credit repair, finance, social media, real estate, fitness, AI, and even how to become a better leader, you can do that here. And instead of watching a bunch of videos, you can watch live sessions from educators who will teach you on a daily basis about whatever category you're most interested in. So let's say you want to learn how to become a master of the markets. You can do that by learning how to trade Forex, where you gain access to scanners, live sessions, and even live market ideas on sessions as well as to your phone. Instead of you having to figure it out, learn how to do it all on your own, you can then receive the ideas from the educators themselves. They do the research for you, and you can simply copy and choose at your own risk. You can do the same for crypto, stock, and e-commerce. If you have bad credit, we can help you with that too. Struggling with your finances and can't seem to get ahead, we can help you there as well. Struggling on social media and want to build a great presence where you not only build your brand, but you can actually become profitable as well. You got it. Interested in real estate? Yep, got that. Tired of not being fit or reaching your maximum potential? Check out our Fitness Academy. Want to learn how to maximize AI and use it to your advantage with life and business? We've got that too. And last but not least, if you desire to become a better leader in life, business, your home, and so forth, we have an academy for that as well. You will also have access to Jifu Connect, where you have access to your network, resources, and updates on important information. You can literally access everything that you need on the go from this one app. Now, one of the major tools that you can also get access to is what is called FX Global Ideas. While you're learning how to trade, you can receive strategy ideas from company educators where they do the research for you and send out these ideas right to your phone. This will help you see what they see, and at your own discretion and at your own risk, you can place trades if you choose to do so. As with anything, results are not guaranteed, but I think that you'll find this app is very impressive. Okay, now for the final part that I want to cover is how you can actually make money through Jifu by sharing the ultimate lifestyle membership. The first step is to help you get your own life membership for free by sharing it with 4 individuals who choose to also purchase a membership. I like to call it Get 4, Pay No More, and that helps you have your own personal membership paid for. With Jifu, there are 6 ways to earn. For this particular presentation, I just want to focus on the steady bonus and the founders pool bonus. Firstly, the steady bonus. Now, beyond a free membership, if you desire to make more money and expand your business, you can see on the chart that as you receive a certain number of customers, that you can get paid more. Now, keep in mind, people will also be sharing the membership, which means that you get paid from their efforts as well as your own. So let's just take one simple example from this chart. Let's say you achieved the Gold Executive rank, which means I have a total of 30 customers, which 15 of them is on my first team and 15 of them is on my second team. This means that you make $1,000 for the month, and as you maintain these active customers, you can continue to receive that same $1,000. If I want to achieve director, that's 250 customers on my left team and 250 customers on my right team, which then equals $10,000 per month. And as you maintain that rank, and by the way, the steady bonus is paid weekly, so you can take this to any level that you desire. It's totally up to you as an individual, and keep in mind you are not pressured to do this. If you just want to use the Ultimate Lifestyle membership for yourself and get the benefits, you can certainly do so. That is totally optional. If you want to receive a part of the pie as the company grows, you can access the Founders Pool. So every quarter, 2% of global rank volume, known as RV, is pooled and distributed as shares among qualified leaders. So the more shares that you earn, the bigger your piece of the pie. Now, if you really want to take this to a big level, the company has rewards and incentive trips that you can go on where you will receive that VIP treatment. Finally, you can choose what membership you want to have access to. It's your choice. If you have more money and you want more value, then purchase a bigger membership. If you have less money and you just want to get your feet wet and test the waters, then you can buy the $299 digital pack. You can always upgrade at any time. So let's say you choose the $299 membership for Digital Live Pro. Your monthly is $185 and it's included within the $299. So get back to the person who referred you to this video, ask any questions that you may have, and if not, simply ask them for their enrollment link to get started with us today.